In this video, we're going to show you how to build up and brace your crown molding. Make sure you have 3/4 inch and 1 1/4 inch nails ready. Remember to take your time and go one layer at a time. For visual purposes, we're using multicolored molding. You want to start by adding a 1/4 inch filler to even the sides of your cabinet with the face frame. Line it up and then nail it down. Remember to make sure your hands are clear of the nails. Now you want to attach a 3/4 inch furring strip to the top of your face frame. Once it's lined up, nail it down. Repeat this step for the side of the cabinet, this time lining it up with the filler piece. It's a good idea to make sure your angles and corners meet up the way you want them to. This will save time and make installation easier. Now take your real pieces and then line them up, making sure the corners fit. Once you have them in the desired spot, hold the front in place and nail it down. Repeat your actions for the side. And that's your basic crown molding installation. Now we're going to build up multiple pieces. Remember to add the 1/4 inch filler strip to the sides of your cabinet. Start by lining up your first pieces at the corners like before. Once in place, you want to nail them straight down into the face frame of your cabinet. Then repeat these actions for the corner piece. Now you're putting a backer on your molding to build up from. Make sure it's flush before nailing it down. Always put your nails in through the back whenever it's possible. It's always a good idea to anchor the corners together. Now we're building up the next piece of our crown by stacking right on top of the first layer. Again, lining them up from the corner. Once in place, anchor them together by nailing it right through the corner, then attach it to the backer. Now we're adding the top crown. You can line it up on the second layer however you like. Just make sure the corners are lined up before nailing it in place. Repeat your actions for the side. We also have an insert that are easy to add on. Just line them up at the corner and make sure it's level. Remember this piece? We wanted to show you another method. You still want to proceed one layer at a time, but you can glue your corners together, making them easier to install. You can apply these steps to any crown molding you have and add a unique look to your cabinets.